what that toy is.
These are my glasses.
No, what's that toy right there?
It's a Japanese abacus. Say Japanese abacus.
Japanese.
I thought,
Hey, Connell, you want to take mine?
you want to hear his heart?
It's a heart. It's a heart and something. And you got a big camel. And a knee. See, it got blood in it. It got blood in it. Yeah.
Give me a blood test.
No, you can't hold it.
Jack is too big.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, that hurts. That hurts.
Jacket's made for Nate.
I got your blood test.
Uh-oh. Don't take too much.
I gotta get Connell's.
Okay, get Connor. See what he does.
Connell's. Connell, you gotta get your blood test. Connell, you gotta get this blood test.
Oh, he doesn't like needles. He's running away.
You gotta get you. I gotta go on Sean's car.
Next Monday night I'll be
Gotta go on this car.
Aren't you too big for that car, Danny?
Gotta go on Sean.
Go 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay, and I have my turn.
Danny's turn.
Okay. Okay. And thank you. Bye. Thank you. Guys, get my blood test.